Hello everyone, my name is Govind and today I'm reviewing the software named Pin with Confidence. So I'm in the dashboard of Pin with Confidence front end and you have seen this is the course to learn how you can perform confidently on Pinterest. Okay, so this is very low price course and you will definitely work well on Pinterest. If you want to grow your Pinterest account and you don't know how to grow, how to make post for Pinterest, how to pin to other post and all of the stuff how to do on Pinterest. Okay, so this is very good course which is offering by Jill Hart, which who is very good lady and she offered this course to you with very cheap price. Okay, so this is the members area of Pin with Confidence, and here the first video which is of mindset for the Pinterest, and here are video to video, and here are all the 15 videos for overall course, and you will learn the full flash Pinterest marketing technique. Before going through all the lessons of this course, I want to take you to my pin with confidence review. Okay, so this is my review. The link of this review is on description. You will go there and buy this amazing course. Okay, so I want to explain what are the things you will get with my link. If you buy with my link of this course, then you will get the high quality bonuses, and here are the bonuses, huge bonuses. Bonus one, Rank Math Pro, and the second one is Thrive Architect Builder. Third one is Divi Builder. Okay, and traffic generating resource and content marketing strategies. If you are new in internet marketing industry, you can also benefited by this course, which named is Find Your Niche. Okay, so this is a video course and will really gonna help you to start your journey on online marketing. Okay, so here are value added bonuses. This is also a good bonus. 8,000 Facebook group with 200 million people in total. Okay, so here Facebook group links on this bonus you will get, and you can grow your Pinterest easily also, and also you will get traffic on your website, and you can share your business promotion with on these groups. Okay, so again lots of amazing bonuses, valuable bonuses here for you. Okay, so a total of 22 bonuses here, and you will get all these bonuses if you will buy with my link. Okay, so I'm guarantee you I will give you whole bonuses which here mentioned on this review article. Okay, so you can check all the bonuses after the end of this review by getting the link on the description. Okay, so not for the delay, just go back to the dashboard of Pin with Confidence. So this is the dashboard, and here you will see that Jill Hart is written here. So this course is made by Jill Hart, which is a good lady, and I want to explain something more here. Okay, so this is a sales page of Pen with Confidence. So here in headline you will read that you can read the super simple method I use to get thousands of buyers to my products with Pinterest in less than 15 minutes a day. Okay, so she already sell her products on Pinterest with the method she reveal on his on her course. Okay, so this course will really gonna help you if you want to grow your Pinterest. And Pinterest, you know that Pinterest is a search engine, alone search engine, and here all the SEO things and whatever you share on your Pinterest profile, and whatever photos you share there, whatever the description you put there, and what type of pin you save on your account of other pins. So all the things are matter, and we don't know if we are new in Pinterest, and we don't know how to grow our Pinterest account, then this course is only for you. And this is not a high value course. Okay, so high value in terms of benefits, but in terms of dollar, in terms of amount, this is not about high value. Okay, so I want to reveal the price of this course. Okay, so here in my review you will see that you can see that the price is $17 only. Okay, if you will buy with my link, this course is only for $17 for you. Okay, so just quickly go to the dashboard of Pin with Confidence. Here the first lesson is the overview. Okay, so these things you will learn when if you buy this course. Okay, I'm not playing this video due to the confidential of the vendor. Okay, so they don't allow me to play the video here. Okay, so when you get the course you can explore all the things here. Okay, so you can pause this video and note down these things, and you will find these things are very valuable for your Pinterest growth. Okay, so the second one is keyword and Google. Okay, so what are the keywords and how keywords perform in Google and how those keywords perform in Pinterest. So she explained this thing, what are the keywords on Pinterest and how they're similar to Google. Okay, so the third one is how to find keywords and trending keywords. Okay, so this is a very practical course, not an overview course, and you have to perform a lot more thing except these courses, except the thing they explain here. Okay, so the overall thing explained here, you don't need to go any other lecture, you don't need to search in the internet, everything is here for Pinterest growth. Okay, so the fourth lesson is download and use spreadsheet. Okay, so here is a spreadsheet by which you can analyze your account and industry, how you have to perform on your Pinterest account. Okay, so here are another lesson, and the amazing thing I want to share you that the course has itself the content creation lectures. Okay, so if you are new in graphic designing, if you don't know how to design a Pinterest banner and how to what are the graphics you can put on your Pinterest profile, then she explain and she practically tell you here, she show you the practical how she promote her banners on her Pinterest account. Okay, so this is a practical course, how to make the designs. This is a Canva dashboard, and you can how you can prepare the amazing Pinterest post here. Okay, so I think this is the really the good course for you. Never, no one will explain you this much of thing in this price value. Okay, so I'm recommending you to go with this course. So with the front end, you will get this much of lectures. Okay, so again, if you want to go further more things. Okay, so here are the upsells or OTOs for this product, course product. Okay, so I'm explaining you what are the OTOs she offer. Okay, first is Pin with Confidence done for you templates pack. Okay, so again in the dashboard of front end of the Pin with Pinterest, you can see that done for you templates. Okay, so this is the first OTO, and here are the three version of this OTO. Okay, first is 20 pin templates and 2 story pin. Okay, so in $37 you will get this much of templates and 2 story pin templates. Okay, and other versions are here. Okay, you can also check with my link which is on the description. Okay, so the second OTO is 30 days email mentorship program. So she mentored you one by one in the email. Okay, so whatever the query you have, whatever you want to ask her, she will reply you within 12 hour or 24 hour if you go with this link. Okay, so if you go with this OTO. Okay, so first is price with FB group $67, and the 30 days email mentorship program $37. Okay, so this is good for you. Okay, the third one is make money as we are partner with her. Okay, so resell license, if you want to sell this software by your own, you can get the resell license here with the price of this much of amount. Okay, so I think this is a good if you are in doubt, and uh, after watching my video you are in doubt, still in doubt, then you can buy her front end of the pin with confidence. Then if you like this course, you can go with these OTOs. Okay, so I'm highly recommending you to get this course. This is the end of this review, and I hope you will understand all the things. If you don't understand anything and you have any doubt, you can comment on the below section. Okay, comment below on my YouTube video. I will explain you, I will answer you within 12 hours. Thank you guys.